how we've designed this program is honestly one of the best launch pads for young eco-innovators that I can find.
And it's really crazy how even though we are geographically very distant from each other, somewhere we have something that connects all of us.
I think this is one of the only platforms I've had where I could engage with people globally.
I want to create films working along with communities living next to India's wild landscape.
Be Visitors for me is a platform that brings together a lot of change makers around the world.
It's really inspiring. People are working in this sustainability and climate change, so mostly in clean tech and green tech.
So extremely youthful, amazing energy, absolutely incredible ideas, and just really fantastic vibes.